Check out these big, huge storage bags that I grabbed here off of Amazon. I'm gonna open them up here for you, show them. They are nice and big. This is how they come. So I'm gonna break that and we're gonna show you. Are 27 inches long and they are 14 inches wide and then 15 inches tall. So a nice big bag. And they have these nice strong double zippers right here. But look how incredibly large this is. I mean, that is huge. You could even store Christmas decorations, Halloween decorations. I mean, you name it, you can store it in these. They have nice, big, strong handles. I mean, look at the size of that. Look at how big that is. I mean, I don't even know how many blankets that could probably even store. But again, this also comes clear down on both sides. So you can really open this up really wide. Completely waterproof, nice strong handles. Something they thought of is there's even a handle on the side. So if you are stacking things in here, you can actually carry it this way instead of using the big long straps here. So many uses for these.